What's up you guys, Big Z here from Learn Bengali and welcome to another Bengali tutorial with Big Z. In this tutorial I'm going to go over the to go verb in Bengali in simple present tense. So to go or Jawa, I'm going to cover that right now with you guys. Alright, so let's get started right away. Alright, so here we are, to go, Jawa, okay, Jawa, see, J-A-O-W, Jawa, and it's Joy Akar, O and Untustio Akar, Jawa, right. That's what it is. Let's start the conjugation process right here. I go is ami jai, ami jai. You go is tumi jao, right? Tumi jao. The formal version is apni jan, right? Apni jan, apni jan. He or she goes she jai, so it's not j, is jai, right? So that's why I've used the a with the accent, right? She jai. And he or she goes, the formal version is tini jan, so toi roshika, noi roshi, okay, tini jan. We go is amra jai, right here, amra jai. You go is tomra jao, is the plural, tomra jao, right? I got it right, yeah, I got it right, okay. You go is apnara jan, that's formal plural, apnara jan. There go is tara jai. Once again, it's not j, it's jai. Tara jai. There go is tara jan. That's the formal version. Tara jan. Okay. So I hope this makes sense. It's not that difficult. Basically follows the patterns that I've mentioned in my previous videos. Right. So once again, I go is ami jai. You go is tumi jao. You go formal is apni jan. He or she goes is she jai. He or she goes formal is tini jan. Tini jan. We go is amra jai. You go is tomra jao. You go formal plural is apnara jan. There go is tara jai. And there go formal is tara jan. Okay. So that's that. And I got like 2 sentences here just to go over that. So I go to school is ami skule jai, or you can say ami biddaloye jai, right? People just usually use school in Bengali, basically, like yeah, school. Some people prefer Biddaloy, right? I prefer Biddaloy, but oh well, I don't even live there anymore. But yeah, I go to school is Ami Skule Jai, or you can say Ami Biddaloy Jai. Excuse me. And you go to school is the same thing. Tumi Skule Jao, or Tumi Biddaloy Jao. They go to school is like Tarai Skule Jai or Tara Biddaloy Jai. So I'm just giving you an idea of how to make a sentence with this verb jao, right? Well, jawa, then conjugated, and it gets conjugated to jai, jao, jan, jai, and all those things, right? So I hope this makes sense to you. Any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.